Hey everyone, welcome back to Monterey, California. In this video, I will be going over if the presidential election results will have an impact on the real estate market moving forward. Toby Fernie here. If this is your first time at my channel, it is all about real estate in general and living here in Monterey, California. Likes and subscriptions are always greatly appreciated. So if you haven't heard, there was kind of an important election that just happened. Will the results of those elections affect the real estate market? Let's take a look at the major factors that could affect the real estate market moving into 2021. Mortgage rates. Right now, mortgage rates are historically low, even as low as sub 3%. When my parents purchased their first home in the 1980s, they were paying 18% on their loan. Rates have not gone over 5% since 2010. Those rates could fluctuate based on the strength of the economy and economic factors such as the bond market as we move into 2021. With low rates, this allows for sellers to list their home for a slightly higher price as buyers are able to afford more home with such low rates. If those rates were to increase at all, the result would probably be sellers having to sell their home for a little bit of a lower price, which ends up being a wash for buyers. Even if rates do go up or down as we move into 2021, you likely will not be seeing a significant change in rates. Housing demand. Along with historically low rates, housing demand is at an all-time high. As an example, in Monterey, the last week of July, there were $78 million worth of home sales. People are either being forced to or are able to work from home now. This is resulting in people wanting a larger space, a home potentially with a home office, classroom space for the kids, or outdoor area. Many buyers are leaving in large numbers from the city and moving to the suburbs and places with nature. This is resulting in a high demand for people purchasing homes in those type of areas. With housing demand so high and rates historically low, this likely will keep the real estate market strong moving forward. Economic recession concerns. Real estate has stayed on pace, if not outperformed, other assets such as the stock market over time. In recent memory, outside of 2008, home prices have consistently risen year over year. If you're looking to purchase a home, there may be months at a time where home prices are going to drop. But if this is something that you're planning to hang on to for a number of years, chances are that is a value that is going to increase over time. Interestingly, 3 of the last 5 recessions, home prices have actually increased. Historical data. Historical data shows that presidential elections do not have a significant impact on the real estate market. Since 1992, home values have stayed relatively consistent the year before, during, and after a presidential election, outside of 2008, which was a clear outlier. The strength of the economy is the key indicator when it comes to the real estate market, not which political party is living in the White House. Homeowner tax credit. This is likely the most significant impact that a change in administration could have. Check with your CPA as this could change depending on where you live, but currently on average people receive around a $12,000 tax credit for being a homeowner. A change in this policy could either increase or decrease that tax credit that homeowners receive when it comes to tax season. Looking at all of this information, the presidential election likely will not have a significant impact on the real estate market. So many indicators are showing that in 2021, housing demand and prices will continue to rise. If you have any questions about real estate in general, living here in Monterey, or if you are ready to find your dream home here in the Monterey area, feel free to give me a call or send me an email at toby.fernie@gmail.com. Subscribe and stay tuned for future content all about real estate and living here in Monterey, California.